Hey guys, welcome back. So by the time we are seeing other steps too, it is very important to check out some new accessories for the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. Now in case you're new to this channel, definitely stay tuned for further updates because I'm going to show you so many accessories for your Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So you can just assume this video as a part 1, and today we are going to exclusively checking out some new cases from the Ringke for both the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. I'm going to show you a demo on the S9 Plus. The same cases will be available for the S9, and I'll make sure I will have the link in the description for all the S9 and S9 Plus. They provide you a lot of variety. I mean, you can pick whatever case you want. For example, if you want to pick this hard case, you have them. In case you want to have some see-through cases, definitely they have them. And almost all the cases of them, they provide a certain level of drop protection, which is very great. Now in fact, I have shown you guys in the past for the Pixel 2 XL, we dropped that phone a lot of time. Still this phone is working pretty much very great as a daily driver. I'm using that phone with those cases still. OnePlus 5T we dropped from various heights. It just works great. So I know that these cases are going to save your phone, so they're very nice. So let's get started and do check all these cases, and stay tuned for the channel. There's so many good accessories videos coming for your Galaxy S9 S9 Plus. Alright guys, so this is your Galaxy S9 Plus in the corel view. The one I'm using, just showing you right now, is this the default one that you get with your phone. So it's just pretty simple. It cannot give you drop protection because it's just cheap cases, so I won't trust you guys to go with that. And so these are the cases. I have some few for the S9, for the S9 Plus. So from a couple of days I'm using this case. So this so far is my personal, and yeah, in case you have this lilac purple, so definitely this will match your style because this is phone will be purple and this is slightly purple, so definitely feels good. Still it's great, and I will show you guys later. And yeah, we will check the drop tests at the end of the video. And this is the one right now I have for the Galaxy S9 Plus. This is a slim Galaxy S9 Plus white case. This is a hardback shell case, and this one is your coastal blue color. In case you just don't want to get transparent stuff, try to get this. This is also nice. This one I have this is rugged armor case for the S9, and this is also transparent. So let's unbox every stuff, and this is already open. So just going to apply and show you. By the way, most of these cases, they don't work with full skin tempered glass, so just try to use some standard plastic based protector. That should work for you. So yeah, it's pretty great, and it just fits fine, no issues with that. Color wise, you can just see through the original color, and this is not the TPU stuff, like it is not going to change the color. I have the couple of months old for the OnePlus 5T. Still it is like the same one, just got the few scratches because that is definitely going to happen. So they have some bit of protection on the edges, so definitely they're going to make your phone safe. And let's peel that this plasticky screen protector out. So now you can see it has some extra edges in case you drop, so definitely it is going to make your phone safe. It got a lot of protection. So hard case, cutting this off. So there you go, this is your new case. So this one is some sticker, so that's a hard stuff, slightly bit, and you have some proper button cutouts everywhere else. So this is definitely going to match your blue profile, but even though you cannot see through that, so this is how your case looks like. That's your coastal blue color, and I believe there is some different colors too. So fingerprint sensors now as a proper position, it works great. Buttons are easily accessible, no problem with that. You can just see and press. Cool. There's your design, proper cutouts for the speakers, microphone, headphone jack, and top side too. So pretty nice case. And that was your slim case actually. So they don't have this complete button design structure, but again still these are all our you can see this MILA 10G drop proof cases, so no problem with that. So it is actually slim case, so still it is offering 360-degree technology, impact protection. So a lot of stuff they are doing here. It is very easy, I guess. So you can see they fits just so easily. Very minimal design, but they just fits very fine. So in case you're looking for case which are, you know, very minimal in terms of finishing, so this one is for you. So that's your stripe. You can actually attach it here and you can easily just enjoy. So they do offer again the same set of drop protection. Now let's take a look on this other cases, the one I have right now for the Galaxy S9. So all these cases are available for both S9, S9 Plus. So you can just see through here and enjoy the case. And I'll try to give as much as link as possible on the description so that you don't miss anything. So there's your actually shock absorption case like the one you have seen from other brands too. So I believe they have some different colors too. This one is some purple color, so it looks cool. And this is your completely transparent case in case you just don't want to go with this any of the design which you feel bulky to you, but for me they are okay. This is completely, actually this is very nice. So this is their diamond cutting structure design. So this is prism actually, so you can just see through here. This has some different set of design. You can see it feels very attractive. So unfortunately I cannot fit on my S9 Plus, but in case you have for the S9, definitely it's give you some different design. It's unlike compared with the when you're getting in the case. You can just see how beautiful it looks like, some kind of a shiny structure. So in case you have this phone, you can see you can easily see through the phone color and it will make you some prism shiny structure. So guys, that's your Ringke cases for the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus. Let's do some drop test and see how these cases perform. So here you go. Facing the back side. So 3, 2, 1. Dropping in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. So that's your phone, perfectly dropped many times, still working great. Here's the one. No scuffing at all, it's just still perfect. Take this thing out. The phone is in perfect shape, no such sign of damage and drops.